300 Idioms and Phrases. Part 3. 61. Add fuel to the fire. Meaning: to make a bad situation, argument, or conflict worse, especially by saying or doing something. For example, he always adds fuel to the fire by shouting during an argument. A dime a dozen. Very common, and therefore not valuable. In this city, these gadgets are a dime a dozen nowadays. Burn rubber. To drive very fast. He burned rubber to impress his friends. Burn your bridges. To do something that makes it impossible to return to the previous situation later. He burned his bridges with the company when he quit without any notice. Crocodile tears. A false, insincere, or hypocritical display of sorrow, grief, or sympathy. Examples: he cried crocodile tears after breaking the vase. It was clear his sadness was just crocodile tears. He wasn't really hurt, but he shed crocodile tears anyway. Down in the dumps. To be feeling very sad, unhappy, or depressed. He has been down in the dumps since he lost his job. Down to earth. To describe a person who is practical, sensible, realistic, and humble. Despite his fame, he's very down to earth and treats everyone kindly. Every cloud has a silver lining. Every difficult or unpleasant situation has some advantage. He was sad when he lost his job, but it pushed him to find a much better one. Every cloud has a silver lining. Find your feet. To become comfortable and confident in a new situation, role, or environment. He just started his new job last week, so he is still finding his feet in the department. He moved to London recently, and he's still finding his feet in the city. Fly high. To be very successful. He's been flying high after getting promoted at work. He started his own company and quickly flew high in the industry. Go the extra mile. To make more effort than is expected, required, or necessary in order to achieve something or help someone. He always goes the extra mile at work, which is why he got promoted. They went the extra mile for charity, raising more funds than anyone expected. Have your head in the clouds. To be daydreaming, not paying attention to, or to be unrealistic or impractical. The professor asked me a question, but I didn't hear him. I completely had my head in the clouds. He thinks he can become a millionaire next year without working hard. He has his head in the clouds. Have, or keep your feet on the ground. To be sensible, practical, and realistic, even when faced with success, excitement, or challenges. He's very successful, but he always has his feet on the ground. Even after becoming famous, he kept his feet on the ground. In the long run. eventually, or over a long period of time. It may be hard now, but in the long run, exercising daily will improve your health. Juggle, or keep balls in the air. To manage many tasks, responsibilities, or activities at the same time. The hardest part of my job is keeping all the balls in the air. If you take on too many tasks, you'll be juggling too many balls in the air. Lose your touch. To no longer be able to do something skillfully as you could before. He's not as good a painter as he used to be. He's losing his touch. Despite 10 years in the job, he has not lost his touch. Make up your mind. To decide something, or to make a decision. He finally made up his mind to study medicine. I haven't made up my mind about which university to attend. It's time to make up your mind. The deadline is tomorrow. No dice. No, not possible, or no chance. It signifies that an attempt, request, or plan has been rejected or refused. I asked if I could leave early, but the boss said no dice. Can you lend me some money? No dice. On top of the world. To be extremely happy, satisfied, or successful. He felt on top of the world when he got his dream job. Play with fire. To act in a way that is not sensible and take dangerous risks. He's playing with fire by ignoring the safety rules in the lab. Quick as a flash. Very quickly, or instantly, or without any delay. He replied to the question quick as a flash. He solved the puzzle quick as a flash. Raining cats and dogs. To be raining heavily. We had to cancel the picnic because it was raining cats and dogs all morning. Rain on someone's parade. To spoil someone's plans, excitement, or good mood, often by delivering bad news. I hate to rain on your parade, but the weather forecast looks terrible for the picnic. Slow as a turtle. Extremely slow. He's slow as a turtle when it comes to getting ready in the morning. This old computer runs slow as a snail. The tip of the iceberg. Only a small part of a much larger, often hidden, problem or situation. The complaints we've received are just the tip of the iceberg. Many more issues remain undiscovered. Turn a blind eye. To deliberately ignore something that you know is wrong or inappropriate. He turned a blind eye to a minor accounting error to avoid delays. Under wraps. Being kept secret or hidden until sometime in the future. The new smartphone design is being kept under wraps until the official launch event next month. They tried to keep the report under wraps. The new project is still under wraps. Up to speed. To be fully informed, or up to date on something, or to have all the latest information about something. Before the meeting, I'll bring you up to speed on the latest developments. To be performing at the required rate or level. It took me a week to get up to speed with the new software. The new employee is still getting up to speed with the company policies. The production line isn't up to speed yet after the holiday break. Walk on air. To feel extremely happy. He was walking on air after getting his promotion. Year in and year out. Something that happens regularly, every year. Year in and year out, the company faces the same budget challenges. Year in, year out, nothing changes in that small town. Fill in the blanks. 1. The new teacher is really and easy to talk to. 2. He always for his students by preparing extra study materials. 3. Studying consistently every day, instead of just before the exam, is much better. For your understanding. Down to earth. Goes the extra mile. In the long run. 4. If you don't practice your English regularly, you might. 5. We were after passing the final exams. 6. Can you bring me on what happened while I was away? Lose your touch. Up to speed. 7. If you can't. About what to order, I'll order for you. 8. I was going to walk to the store, but it started. So I stayed home. 9. Parents sometimes to their children's messy rooms. Raining cats and dogs. Turn a blind eye. Thank you for watching and listening. Click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more videos. Don't forget to like and share.